English body parts collection. Give someone a hand. All ears. Twisted my arm. Head over heels. Stiff upper lip. Give someone a hand. The idiom give someone a hand means to help or assist someone. I can't move this heavy box by myself. Can you give me a hand? All ears. The idiom all ears means to be fully focused and attentive, particularly when someone is speaking. Whenever my best friend has something to say, I'm all ears. I want to be there for her when she needs to talk. Twisted my arm. The idiom means to persuade or convince someone to do something that they may not want to do. I wasn't sure about going to the party, but my friends twisted my arm and convinced me to come along. Head over heels. The phrase head over heels is almost always used to refer to the feelings of passionate love. Ever since he met her, he's been head over heels in love with her. Stiff upper lip. This phrase is used to describe someone's attempt to hide their emotions and not let other people see what they are feeling. It means to remain stoic during difficult situations. Despite the criticism, the politician kept a stiff upper lip and remained composed throughout the press conference.